Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a laptop. The display is broken and I'm going to try to replace it. This laptop is called an MSI and I never heard of it before, but I don't know if you could see it. Oh, maybe you can see it better now. There's just nothing happening on there. This is my grandson's laptop. Let's see if it has a model number. Model number MS-16W1. There's a toll-free number on here. 888-447-6564. I called that number to see if they have any display panels available. They wanted the serial number and the model number. The model number I know, but that's a serial number. It's all worn out. I really couldn't give it to them. They're going to look at every available display that this model had, see if they could find a fit, and they're going to send me an email. In the meantime, let's, power off and battery out. Looks like there's a bunch of screws holding that battery in. I think what I'm going to do is shut the power off and let it drain. That way I shouldn't have to take the battery out. So I'm just going to pull the plug on that and wait for it to die. Battery is drained. Need to pry this frame out of here. It's just clipped in. The screen just held in with adhesive. So gently pull it back from its backing. There we go. There's a jack down here. I'm not going to detach it yet. I want to get the replacement. The number I'm looking for is a B number. B156HAN 13.1. It's really small type. I don't think you're going to be able to see that. Let me do some searching around to see what I could find. I found some on the internet between $65 and $100, and I have a call into that toll-free number at the company to see if they offer them. Replacement screen just came in from eBay. Looks just like the original one. Before I do the installation, I want to check this out. I don't know if you could see it. Oh, can you see it now? See that dent right there? I'm going to try to take that dent out. Got a wood block I'm going to put behind it. Punishing hammer. Just want to take that down. Okay, I did that off camera. Now there won't be any chance of the case touching the screen. There are actually two smaller ones there, but you couldn't see it. Next thing I need to do is to disconnect this connection. Looks like there's a piece of tape over that. It's alive! I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.